Have you grown weary of waking up feeling lethargic and anxious about the state of your kidneys each morning? What if I told you that you could give your kidneys a big boost while you sleep simply by drinking a delightful drink before going to bed? What would you think about that? Just for a moment, try to picture yourself waking up feeling revitalized and aware that your body is easily working to cleanse and heal itself. Are you curious? The top 3 bedtime drinks that can easily help heal and revitalize your kidneys are going to be revealed today, so make sure you keep watching because we are going to reveal them. Not only are these beverages simple to prepare, but they are also loaded with nutrients that are beneficial to the health of your kidneys. These beverages range from calming teas to delicious juices. This video will discuss top 3 great beverages that you can simply add into your nighttime routine to support and increase your kidney function. These beverages are easy to incorporate into your routine. It is possible that incorporating these particular beverages into your evening routine can play a key role in promoting kidney health and assisting in the recovery of kidneys that have been significantly damaged. These beverages are made with natural substances that are well known for their diuretic, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant qualities. These features can assist in the detoxification of the kidneys, the reduction of inflammation, and the acceleration of renal function in general. Whether you are struggling with minor kidney troubles or simply wish to maintain optimal kidney health, these beverages are designed to give the required nutrients and advantages to aid in the maintenance of your kidney health. We will provide you with complete recipes, as well as information regarding the specific advantages of each beverage and how they can contribute to your overall health and wellness. To begin your journey toward improved kidney health, I would like to suggest that you grab a pen and paper, or even better, your preferred cup, and let's get started. Number 1. Cranberry Juice. Cranberry juice is widely recognized for its capacity to promote kidney health through urinary tract health. Proanthocyanidins are special substances found in cranberries that inhibit germs from sticking to the kidney and urinary system walls. Because of its antibacterial qualities, it can help lower the risk of infections including urinary tract infections, UTIs, which if untreated, can worsen renal problems. Additionally, rich in antioxidants, cranberry juice helps lower inflammation and shield the kidneys from oxidative damage thanks to the presence of quercetin and vitamin C. Because they reduce inflammation and enhance overall kidney function, cranberries' anti-inflammatory qualities can be especially helpful for people with chronic renal disease. Furthermore, by lowering the kidney's tendency to crystallize specific minerals, cranberries have been demonstrated to inhibit the development of kidney stones. Picking 100% pure cranberry juice without any artificial additives or added sugars is essential if you want to use cranberry juice in your nighttime routine. A lot of commercial cranberry juices are high in sugar, which might counteract any health benefits and even make matters worse. Before going to bed, sip on a small glass of pure cranberry juice to guarantee you get all the advantages without any unnecessary added sugars or calories. By lowering the danger of kidney stones, reducing inflammation, and preventing infections, regular use of cranberry juice can enhance kidney health. It's a tangy and refreshing drink that's great for bedtime drinking and benefits your kidneys as well as the health of your urinary system generally. You may easily maintain your kidneys' health and function by include cranberry juice in your nighttime regimen. Therefore, drink a small glass of pure cranberry juice every night and allow its potent benefits to maintain the health of your kidneys. Number 2. Turmeric Milk. Turmeric milk, sometimes referred to as golden milk, is our second and most calming beverage. It is a healthy beverage with many health benefits, especially for the kidneys. Curcumin, a substance with strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, is found in turmeric, the main ingredient in this drink. These characteristics are vital for lowering renal inflammation and shielding the organs from oxidative damage, 2 typical problems associated with chronic kidney disease. By preventing the body's inflammatory enzymes and cytokines from activating, curcumin, found in turmeric, helps reduce inflammation. Turmeric milk can help enhance kidney function and slow the course of kidney disease by lowering inflammation. Furthermore, curcumin's antioxidant properties assist in scavenging free radicals, shielding kidney cells from oxidative stress and harm. Due to its calming and soothing qualities, turmeric milk is also a great beverage to have before bed. Calcium and vitamin D, which are necessary for healthy bones and general body functions, are found in milk, whether it is dairy or a plant-based substitute. Because renal disease frequently results in weakening bones, it is crucial for those with kidney problems to preserve bone health. Heat up a cup of milk to begin making turmeric milk. Any chosen milk can be used. including coconut, almond, and cow's milk. To the warm milk, add a teaspoon of turmeric powder and well whisk. Add a pinch of piperine, found in black pepper, which raises curcumin's bioavailability for better absorption and benefits from curcumin. A spoonful of honey or a spritz of maple syrup can also be used to sweeten your beverage for additional flavor and health benefits. In addition to supporting kidney health, consuming turmeric milk before bed enhances general relaxation and well-being, which facilitates sound sleep. Frequent ingestion can help lower inflammation in the kidneys, guard against oxidative stress, and supply vital nutrients required keeping the kidneys healthy. Your body will have a natural and powerful tool to enhance kidney health and improve overall wellness if you include turmeric milk into your nightly routine. Therefore, make a warm cup of turmeric milk every night and allow its restorative effects to take effect as you sleep. Number 3. Lemon ginger tea. The third beverage we'll discuss is lemon ginger tea, a powerful concoction with anti-inflammatory and purifying qualities that makes it a great option for kidney health support. Antioxidants and vitamin C, which are abundant in lemons, aid in the body's detoxification process. Lemon's citric acid helps dissolve kidney stones and boost urine production, which lowers the risk of kidney stones forming. By reducing the amount of strain on your kidneys, this natural cleansing process helps them work more effectively. On the other hand, ginger is well known for having strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It can be especially helpful if you have chronic renal disease or inflammation-related kidney damage because it helps reduce inflammation in all areas of the body, including the kidneys. Additionally, the circulation of blood is improved by ginger, which guarantees your kidneys get enough oxygen and minerals for upkeep and repair. Boil a cup of water before making lemon ginger tea. To extract the health benefits of fresh ginger, add a few slices and boil for around 10 minutes. Next, thoroughly whisk the mixture after adding the juice of half a lemon. You can also add a spoonful of honey, which has its own antibacterial characteristics, for extra flavor and health benefits. In order to allow your body to absorb and utilize the nutrients in this tea while you sleep, try drinking it around 30 minutes before going to bed. By lowering inflammation, accelerating detoxification procedures, and preventing kidney stones from forming, drinking lemon ginger tea on a regular basis will help you maintain good kidney function. This calming and revitalizing beverage is a multi-purpose addition to your bedtime routine because it supports your kidneys, helps with digestion, and strengthens your immune system. Thus, before going to bed, sip on a warm cup of lemon ginger tea and allow your body to benefit all night. Your kidneys and the critical processes they perform can be supported, the risk of kidney-related illnesses can be reduced, and your general health can be improved if you make drinking these beverages a regular part of your routine before going to bed. Which one are you going to test out first? Post your thoughts in the comments section below. Should you find this video to be beneficial, we would appreciate it if you would give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members, and also remember to subscribe to our channel for further health-related advice. I appreciate you viewing, and here's to a healthier you. Good luck, have a restful sleep.